Once the cream reaches perfect consistency, it moves to the fully automated filling section. Advanced software continuously monitors texture, consistency, and quality throughout the mixing process. Inside this ultra-modern cosmetic factory, thousands of beauty cream units are produced every single hour using advanced automated systems. Every formula begins with precision-measured ingredients delivered through sealed, computerized feeding systems. This high-tech plant spans thousands of square meters and operates under strict international manufacturing standards. Once the cream reaches perfect consistency, it moves to the fully automated filling section. Inside these giant blending reactors, emulsification happens under strict temperature and pressure control. Raw materials are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to preserve purity and stability. Each ingredient is scanned, verified, and sanitized before entering production. Sealed stainless steel pipelines ensure contamination-free transfer into mixing units. Precision mixers create the smooth, uniform texture consumers expect. Temperature control is critical for achieving the perfect emulsion. Microscopic inspections ensure flawless formulation. Once approved, the batch moves through sealed sterile lines to packaging. Empty tubes are aligned with millimeter-level precision. High-speed nozzles fill hundreds of units per minute. Every batch undergoes laboratory testing for consistency and safety. Each tube is sealed using precision heat sealing technology. Laser printers apply batch numbers and expiry dates instantly. Vision inspection systems reject any imperfect unit automatically. Defective products are removed instantly to maintain quality. Freshly filled tubes move directly into automated cartoning systems. Robotic arms insert each tube with flawless accuracy. Instruction leaflets are automatically added before sealing. Boxes are sealed instantly using precision-controlled systems. The packaging line moves continuously without interruption. Each box passes through automated weight verification scanners. Protective wrapping ensures safe transport and storage.
Industrial palletizing robots prepare shipments at incredible speed.
Pallets are wrapped tightly for stability during transportation. Finished products are stored in vast, climate-controlled warehouses. Automated cleaning robots maintain spotless surfaces 24/7. After every batch, mixing tanks undergo automated clean spotless surfaces 24/7. Engineers monitor the entire operation from a centralized control room. Real-time data ensures optimal efficiency and minimal waste. Every production batch requires digital approval before release. Texture and stability tests guarantee consistent product performance. Texture and stability tests guarantee consistent product performance. From raw ingredients to retail-ready packaging, every step is engineered for perfection. Texture and stability tests guarantee consistent product performance. This facility operates multiple high-speed production lines simultaneously, producing thousands of units every hour. Precision alignment systems ensure flawless positioning before final dispatch. Autonomous vehicles transport finished pallets safely to distribution zones. High-capacity loading docks prepare shipments for nationwide distribution. High-capacity loading docks prepare shipments for nationwide distribution. Climate-controlled storage protects product stability before shipping. Every shipment is digitally tracked using advanced barcode systems. The final product arrives ready for consumers worldwide. From factory to distribution center, The process remains fully automated. A seamless blend of innovation, hygiene, and industrial precision, delivering beauty creams at extraordinary global scale.